Someone decided it was a good idea to get me out of bed by saying he was going to open the advent calendar. Guess what? It worked.
Yep. And here it is.
What's today?
A book.
Good morning. It's Vlogmas day 22.
22. Yeah, we're still on 19. Ready? Ready? I found
Let's see. Okay, what? What is it?
It's a book. It is
what are the chocolates?
s'mores.
Oh, so glad I got out of bed. Such a good one to get. Don't. Penny's gonna steal those. Thanks, babe. Thanks, babe.
Are you sure you don't want chocolate Fabrice tonight?
No.
You want?
I want Menchie's.
Hey guys, what is up? Good morning. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 22. It is Sunday and I really want today just to be a chill day for me to get a few things done. I have to tidy up the house for one thing because it's been getting on my nerves that it's just not tidy, so we're gonna take some time to tidy up the house. And then I'm also baking some soft pretzels and I'm very excited because I've not baked those in so long and they are like my favorite things ever. So my mom did send me the recipe and stuff and we're gonna do that tonight. I'm pretty positive I have everything. For now, I am just exporting the vlog and then we're gonna upload that, tidy the house, and do all the things I just told you. So yeah, that's everything. Okay, let's do it.
I made the choice to dedicate my life to helping these guys.
Hi. Oh, okay. How's your lazy Sunday going?
Really lazy. Well, I worked out, so it's not
Yeah,
that
you did
lazy.
something. Penny's having a good lazy Sunday.
Yeah, she's having a lazy Sunday. I'll let her rest.
I'm officially finished uploading the vlog, and now it is time to clean up this messy place. We need to bring all the presents up because I want to put them underneath this tree
Okay.
instead of downstairs tree. Yeah. Cuties! Hi, Penny. She's so freaking cute. Like how? How can something be that cute? Aww. Okay guys, so I am finished cleaning for now and we actually had dinner and then decided we wanted to go to Menchie's. On this cold winter day, we're gonna go get some ice cream. We actually saw a video yesterday. Was it one of the Japanese eating ones that we were watching that they had ice cream?
Possibly, yeah.
And we were like, we want ice cream now, so now we're gonna go do that. So, see you there. Hey guys, so we are now home from Menchie's. We were actually been home for a while and we fell asleep. Well, I fell asleep first and then Francis saw that I was sleeping and fell asleep. So yeah, I don't know why I've been sleeping so much recently, but it's been nice. We also have the fireplace channel on right now, but it is about 10 o'clock right now and I wanted to do some baking like I told you guys. So we're gonna do a little bit of late night baking with Jenna, and we are going to make some soft pretzels, which this is something that I've made a lot in the past when I lived at my parents' house, but I don't think I've made it since I moved out of my parents' house. So we're going to make that right now and I'm so excited. It's such an easy recipe, so we're gonna just quickly go through it and then I'll show you guys the end product. So let's do it. Okay, so I have all of the ingredients here that you need. You need all-purpose flour, obviously. You need some sugar, salt, some quick rising yeast. We need an egg and butter or margarine. And that's literally everything. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to combine the flour, the sugar, and the yeast into a large bowl. I'm going to put it in my stand mixer, but yeah, you put all three of those. You put aside 1 cup of flour so that you have that for later, but yeah, let's do that first step.
Okay, so our pretzels are currently sitting and rising for about 20 minutes. Usually you want to put them like sitting and rising for about an hour, but I don't really want to wait that long, and I've never really waited that long, so I'm just gonna let them rise for about 20 minutes and then throw them into the oven. I unintentionally made these vegan soft pretzels because I totally forgot to add the egg, but from what I read on the internet, the egg doesn't really do a ton. It might affect the texture of the pretzel just a tiny bit, but it won't affect like the taste or anything, and it might just not make it rise as much as it normally does. So that's pretty good, and it's kind of awesome that I made them vegan. So they're there. They're not in like your traditional like pretzel shape. They are in like a swirly bun shape, but that's just always how I made it as a kid and as a teenager. So we're gonna let those rise, and then I'll see you guys once they have, you know, probably doubled in size, hopefully. Okay, so these babies have pretty much doubled in size, not completely, but that is fine. They have grown, and the last thing we have to do is just brush some butter on top, shake a little bit of salt, and then throw them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'll show you guys the end product. I am so freaking excited for these. Okay, they're finished. Wow. Oh, frick yes. I'm so excited about these. We have 2 here for Francis and I for right now. Whew.
Ooh.
Gonna be hot.
Ooh, it smells good.
What are you putting on that pretzel?
Cream cheese.
Who puts cream cheese on a soft pretzel?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah. They're really good. Honestly, you can't tell that they are missing the egg.
No. I really like it.
Okay guys, so it is a little bit later. Francis and I had our pretzels, and I am now in the living room. I was doing a list of stuff that I wanted to look for Francis tomorrow because we are both going to the mall very last minute on the 23rd of December to get each other some stocking stuffers and just small gifts. We're going to try to go pretty early so that the mall isn't too busy, but I'm going to assume that it's going to be pretty busy, so that is fine. What you gonna do? But yeah, I wanted to end the vlog here so that I could edit the vlog tonight before we went to the mall tomorrow, so I don't have to worry about that in the morning. So yes, that is everything for this vlog. I actually do think that there was a few questions on yesterday's vlog, so I am going to go to it. Yesterday's vlog was our gingerbread house making competition, and pretty much everyone voted for my brother and his girlfriend Taylor's gingerbread house, which I totally assumed because they went all out for that, so it's all good. Someone asked about the chicken paprikash recipe. I will link the chicken paprikash recipe in this vlog if you want to go and check that out. Will you be going to Francis' family over Christmas as well? Have you got Francis' gifts yet? We are going tomorrow for that, and I already have like a list of things that I want to get him. But as for are we hanging out with his family over Christmas, and yes we are. We're doing my family get together on Christmas Eve. We're getting together with my dad's side of the family, and then on Christmas Day in the morning we're going back to my parents. We and I actually go to my parents on Christmas Eve, sleep over, and then stay the morning because that's when just like our direct family, like my sisters and their families come, and then my brother and Taylor, my parents, and Francis and I, we all go to my parents' house. Actually, Francis and I haven't had like a Christmas together because he was in Mexico last year for our first Christmas together, so we haven't actually had like a full-on Christmas together, so that's going to be fun. And we're going to open all the gifts there. We're going to do a white elephant with all my siblings, which is going to be super, super fun. There's going to be 8 of us, and I'm excited about that. And then later in the day on Christmas Day, we're going over to Francis' parents' house. His aunt and uncle are coming over and their kids. Francis and I, Francis' sister and her husband. And yeah, it's gonna be a good time. We're also doing a white elephant there as well. So I'm super, super excited about all these white elephants. I've never actually played before. And it seems like so much fun and a little bit, what do you call it? A little bit, what's the word? Savage. Savage, is that the word? Because you can like steal people's gifts and stuff. And then someone asked, what are some Filipino Christmas traditions that you have learned? And there's not a ton. Francis hasn't really told me any, and they don't really partake in any. There is like one like Christmas decoration that he told me about that we should get to put on the outside of our house. That's like a big star thing, light up star thing, but I forget what it's called. And I think that is going to be everything. Ooh, and then someone asked, Anne asked, what does Francis think of your hair? And he loves it. So yes, he especially likes it when I have it like up in a high ponytail with my bangs. He thinks it looks cute like that, but he in general just likes it, so yes. Anyways, that is everything for this vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this kind of lazy Sunday, cozy, clean with me / bake with me. It was a lot of fun, and I'm really, really happy with the way the house looks right now, and also how the soft pretzels turned out. They were freaking good, and I can't wait to have one in the morning for breakfast. So anyways, I love you guys so much. Be sure to comment down below any questions that you have tomorrow for tomorrow's vlog. Remember, you are somebody's reason to smile, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye guys. Comment down below which one is your favorite. So good, so good.